Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I kind of just wanted to film like a summer day in the life. It is a Friday morning and Grant and I are just going to be hanging out at home today. We may run out this morning, do something, but I don't have any decorating planned until I switch over to my patriotic decor. So that's why we're going with a day in the life. There will be like some cleaning motivation. I'm going to share kind of what we're eating throughout the day. And then also, I think I want to take you guys outside and show you some of my plants and our garden and how everything's looking. We just finished breakfast, so I'm going to pop in the footage from our breakfast right here so you guys can see that. Okay, so I have my little sidekick with me here today, but I still need to like fix my hair. We just finished breakfast, so I still need to brush teeth, fix my hair, but then we're gonna do like my normal morning routine. I really try to be super productive in the mornings because my productivity dwindles throughout the day. But then I just kind of go around the house room by room and clean up everything. So yeah, let's get going with the rest of our Friday. It's Friday! Yay! Okay guys, it's about 10 o'clock. We're going to head out and do a little outing for the morning. It's so hot outside. We played outside for a little while and I'm already sweaty and it's like in the morning. The high is like 90 or 91 today. It's gonna be super hot. But we're about to go to the thrift store and I need to run my car through the car wash. So we're gonna do that. And since we're going to the thrift store anyway, I'm going to load up these boxes over here. These have been in my basement for so many months and they're just full of donations. And I just need to take them and put them in my car and drop them off at the thrift store. And then we're gonna go in and shop. So let's load these up and head out for the morning. It's been a couple hours since I last talked to you, but we did go to the thrift store. We dropped off all those boxes that I loaded into the car. That felt really good. And then we went inside and did some shopping at the thrift stores. I'm gonna share with you guys what we got. And then my husband texted me and his lunch plans that he had fell through for the day. So we actually ended up doing an impromptu lunch with Daddy. Where did we go eat?
We ate mac and cheese.
We ate mac and cheese at Grant's favorite mac and cheese place. That's McAllister's. So that's where we went to eat lunch. It was really good. We just sat there and ate with Daniel and then drove home. So I'm gonna share with you guys what we got at the thrift store and then it'll be quiet time for this little dude. Yeah? You wanna see Ollie?
Yeah.
Look at Ollie.
Hey.
Hi, Gary. Our cat has like 70,000 names, so we call him everything. All right, let's show them what we got at the store. So Grant always picks out a book when we go to the thrift store. They're 99 cents there. We got this one called Truck Stop. So that might be fun to read later. And then we got a bunch of DVDs because, so the DVDs at the thrift store are typically $1.99 each, but if you get 5, they're only $1 each. So you can get 5 for $5. So we picked out a bunch, didn't we? So we got Ratatouille. We got, this is the 3rd Ice Age movie. We also got the first 2. We got Ice Age, Grant. We got Ice Age The Meltdown, and Ice Age Dawn of the Dinosaurs. So we got all those. We also got Zootopia, and then Mommy picked out this one. This is the Cinderella musical that I remember watching when I was a really little kid, and I couldn't pass it up, so I got that. Yeah, we already saw that one. We don't pay for like Disney Plus or anything. We have Netflix, HBO Max, and Amazon Prime. I think that's the only streaming services, and we have YouTube TV. But anyways, we don't have like a lot of kids movies, and so I'm trying to kind of stock up on some so Grant can experience more like cartoon movies, because he only watches like the same 3 movies right now. I also got this cup. So this is an antique mug. It is by Hull. And this one was only $1.99. I snatched it up because usually my local thrift store, they will research pieces, and especially antique and like name brand pieces, and they will mark them up. So I picked this up. I already have one, but I also have a sugar bowl and a creamer that matches this set. So now I'll have 2 mugs and a sugar bowl and a creamer. I usually put out this brown potteryware with my fall decor. So stay tuned for that if you guys want to see how I end up using this. But yeah, $1.99, and it's in really good condition. But that's all we got, so we're gonna get settled. Mommy's got to work today. Quiet time for this little boy. We all wish we could just sleep like Ollie all day. Okay guys, so I'm downstairs here in our home gym, and it took me about an hour to finish working, and so this is the time of day when I typically try to squeeze in like a quick 30-minute workout. Grant's gonna have a snack and watch some cartoons out in the basement room while I'm in here, and sometimes he'll come in here and watch me and play and stuff like that, but fit it in when you can, am I right? But today I decided I'm just gonna do a quick walk plus run here on the treadmill. I use the Peloton app. We have a Peloton bike here. Don't mind my desk, I need to fix all that up. But we have a Peloton bike, and usually I just do like a mixture of weight training. We have weights. I'll do the bike some days, and some days I'll run or walk on the treadmill. So I don't really follow a plan. I would love to, but I'm not organized enough to actually follow a plan. Grant T's gonna go chill while I do this quick 30-minute class, and then we're gonna go outside and play, huh?
And we're gonna ride bikes.
We're gonna ride bikes outside.
Yeah, together we're gonna leave Mommy's car inside, and why we did that?
Yeah, we're gonna move Mommy's car out of the garage so we can ride in and out of the garage because it's so hot today. Maybe we can stay in the shade. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this workout done. Guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's day in the life video here. It is a little after 7:30. Grant's in the bath. We're about to put him in the bed, and then I need to shower. I did that run this afternoon, and then Grant and I rode bikes together for like an hour, and then we just like ran out and got dinner, all the stuff. We had a fun Friday night though, but I really need to take a shower, and then Daniel and I are gonna sit down and enjoy a show. That's our kind of Friday night ritual. But yeah, it's been a fun day. It's been a little bit of a crazy day. It's so hot. Oh, and you guys saw me watering my plants. I was gonna give you guys like a plant update, plant tour today, but it was just so hot. All of my plants look pretty sad, but I just watered them, and I use like a water soluble fertilizer, just like Miracle-Gro. So they've all been fed. So maybe in one of my next videos upcoming, I'll give you guys a plant tour, garden tour type thing. But yeah, I can hear Grant laughing in the bathtub. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was random, and I don't do day in the life videos very often, and I probably won't, because Grant was a little crazy with me having the camera out today. It like amped up his energy a little bit, and he's already a ball of energy, so I don't know if I want to add more to that. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, Be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. Let me know how your summer is going and what you guys are looking forward to. But yeah, and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. I do lots of seasonal decorating is like my main thing on my channel, cleaning motivation, and then here and there I'll do some mom life stuff, which is what you got to see today. But anyways, all right guys, I'm gonna go relax and rest and get ready for the weekend craziness. But I hope you guys are having a great summer, great weekend, great week, and I will see you very soon in another brand new video. Bye guys.